This is the Jasmine floor plan at Carmel Terrace. Walking in, you'll see the kitchen and the dining area to the side. The kitchen comes with all the major appliances, as well as upgraded cabinetry. To the side, you've got the living room, which includes a wood-burning fireplace. Top floor apartments also feature a vaulted ceiling. Down the hall, you'll first come to your smaller non-master bedroom to the side. This room features a closet. To the other side of the hall, you've got your guest bathroom, which includes a sink, toilet, and a tub shower combo. The hallway also features 2 linen cabinets for extra storage. At the back of the hall, you've got the master bedroom. This is large enough to fit a king-size bed. You also have your vanity, walk-in closet, off to the side here, there's a stand-up shower, as well as your toilet. Coming back into the living room, you can see the patio. This patio is large enough to have a patio set. In this closet, you get your own side-by-side washer-dryer. Again, this is the Jasmine floor plan at Carmel Terrace.